Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you how to add together mixed numbers. So if you forgot what a mixed number is, it is a number, a whole number, with a fraction. So 1 3/5. We can think about this as 1 plus 3/5. Okay, so it's like 1 plus 3/5. But we're going to take this mixed number, 1 3/5, and add 2 1/10. Now, fifths and tenths are not common denominators, so we need to find common denominators. And the first thing I like to do with mixed numbers is stack them vertically. So 1 3/5 plus 2 1/10, like this. And then I'm going to write my equivalent fractions on this side with the common denominators. So I know that fifths can change into tenths by multiplying by 2 on the top and the bottom, giving me an equivalent fraction of 1 6/10. Now I can add together that 2 1/10. Okay, so then I can add 6 and 1 and give 7/10, and my whole numbers 1 and 2 and get 3. So 3 7/10. 7/10 is in simplest form, so I can say that this is my answer. You can do this same problem going horizontal by making these common denominators, right? So 1 6/10 plus 2 1/10, and then add your whole numbers. 3, 6 and 1 make 7/10. So it works the same way. This way is just horizontal versus vertical. I'm going to show you another example of adding together two mixed numbers with uncommon denominators. So 2 3/4 plus 1 1/2. Again, I like to stack these on top of each other, so I'm going to rewrite it 2 3/4 plus 1 1/2. Now I have to find common denominators here, and I know that halves can change into fourths by multiplying the top and the bottom by 2, giving me an equivalent fraction of 1 2/4. So I can bring over this 2 3/4 because we have common denominators, and we can add. Okay, I can add 3 and 2 and get 5/4, and 2 and 1 and get 3. Okay, but something's fishy about this 5/4, right? It's an improper fraction. So I need to change it to a mixed number. Okay, I'm going to draw this out for you. 3 wholes. Okay, one more with those fourths. Okay, so I'm going to draw this out for you, this 5/4. Okay, I'm going to draw one hole cut into fourths and another hole cut into fourths and color in 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can see here that one of these holes can just be added to this 3. It equals 4 and this 1/4 left over. And 1/4 is in simplest form because it's a unit fraction, so that's my answer.